Welcome you all to Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's find the easiest way to build a 4x4 magic square. Now let's consider this 4x4 grid magic square, and we will consider the numbers starting from 1 to 16 as it's a 4x4 grid. So 1 to 16 numbers we'll consider. Now starting from the first box, you draw an imaginary line in the shape of U like this using a pencil, or in your mind you can have this picture like a U shape, and the remaining two boxes inverted U shape you can consider. Now we will arrange these numbers in this box in the same pattern as we got U. So starting from first number in the first box in the U shape, starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now U shape is going like this in the upward direction. So 5 will come in the next box towards your right hand side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now coming to the third box, you can see here vertically it's an inverted U. So 9 will start from here down. 9, 10, 11, 12, and the inverted U is going down. So the remaining numbers 13, 14, 15, 16. You have to arrange the numbers in this way. So this is how we are getting the numbers. The imaginary U, it's a visual representation to show you. I have given like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here inverted U, starting from here 9, 10, 11, 12. In this order you have to arrange the given numbers. Now let's see how this magic square it works. You can observe here the first row and the last row, keep it as it is. Coming to the second row and third row, I have given it in the green color. Only changes will take place in these rows. Coming to the second row, you observe this arrow mark. Just reverse the numbers. So we will take it to be as 14, 11, 7, 2. You can see parallelly I have given one more 4x4 grid over here so that you can see the change. Now we will write the second row numbers. So 14, 11, 7 and 2. In the same way, third row, just reverse the numbers starting from 15. You can see the arrow mark I have given in this direction. So we will take 15, 10, 6, 3. That's it. Our magic square is ready. You can see how it works now. Now if you observe here, diagonally if you add all these numbers 1 plus 11 plus 6 plus 16, it will be 34. Similarly, this diagonally from your right hand side corner 13 plus 7 plus 10 plus 4 is also 34, and the first row if you add all the numbers 1 plus 8 plus 12 plus 13, it's 34. Second row if you add, third row if you add, fourth row if you add, all this also the sum comes to be as 34. Similarly, vertically also if you add 1 plus 14 plus 15 plus 4, it's 34. Any column from top to bottom if you take, if you are adding, the sum will be 34. It's amazing, right? Now the same one you can see here, if you add the first four boxes 1 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14, it's 34. Similarly, the next four boxes 12 plus 13 plus 2 plus 7 is 34. The downside if you take 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4 is also 34. Similarly, the pink color boxes 6, 3, 9 plus 16 is also 34. There are many ways. If you still explore and you find out, you can find a magic in this magic square that the sum will always remain same. You can see here, if you add the corner boxes 1 plus 13 plus 16 plus 4 is also 34, and the center four boxes, this 11 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 is also 34, and you can explore and find in many ways, in how many ways you get 34 in this 4x4 magic square, and this can be taken up as an addition activity also for the students. Hope you all like the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. Thank you everyone.